What's up, guys? Gino here from the AB Garage. Today we are installing the Ciro 3D action camera fairing mount. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen a couple of days ago I posted a picture when I got it in the mail. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, what the fuck are you doing? Go ahead and pause this video, head on over to Instagram at the AB Pod. It should be down in here somewhere, and go follow me. So I'll go ahead and wait for you. You back? Okay, good. If you're just looking for the install video, go ahead and fast forward a little bit, because I'm going to talk about some different things coming to my channel. So if you're just looking for the install, just go ahead and fast forward a little bit, because this won't really concern you. If you're still here, thank you. You're probably wondering why I went and got a new camera mount, because I already have my helmet cam, I've already got my handlebar mount, I've already got dash cams, I've got, you know, 3 different cameras usually running at all times. So I've been planning this vacation, and I'm sure some of you guys are sick of hearing about me planning this vacation. Well, buckle up, bitches. I'm fucking really excited about it. So that's why I'm going to continue talking about it. I'll probably continue talking about it after I get back for at least 6 months. So I'm going to be talking about this shit for the end of the year. Sorry, not sorry. But I'm planning this vacation. I've been looking for different roads to go ride, and like I said, I found this website that's got 11 different roads, and I'll post a link to that in the description. I think I said I was going to before, and I never did, so sorry, but it's in this, it'll be in this, the description down below. So you can go check out and see exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to those roads. But as part of my research, I've been scouring YouTube looking for different videos of these roads, and there are, of course, you know, 1,000 different videos talking about the Dragon, which is, you know, to be expected because it's one of the famous roads from down around there. There are very few videos showing like the Diamondback and the Rattler and Skyline Drive and Blue Ridge. I mean, there are some that show little snippets here and there, and, you know, oh, this is this curve and a waterfall on Skyline, which is great. But what I wanted to do was pretty much see the entire road. So now there are guys online, and I'll link to these guys' channels down in the description too. Like Memphis Mike has a lot of really good videos out. I've watched a lot of his stuff. Moto Blade had a great one on the Cherahalla Skyway, and Two Wheel Obsession, he's got, I think he documented most of his vacation, so he's got a lot of good videos up too. I'm going through the Blue Ridge and Skyline and all that, and all 3 of those guys have excellent videos, and I suggest you go check them out. And I've used most of their videos while planning this vacation. But what a lot of them didn't have was the roads in their entirety. So what I'm doing with this Ciro 3D mount is I'm going to be introducing a new series called the Virtual Ride Series, where I slap a GoPro to the front of my bike and I show every single mile of the road, all 105 miles of the Skyline, all 469 miles of the Blue Ridge, the Dragon, the Diamondback, the Rattler, and if you click that link to go look at all these roads that I was talking about for that website, I will have almost all of those routes up in their entirety. I'm going to show every single mile of every single road, and these are going to be no frills video. I'll upload other videos too where I'm vlogging or whatever, talking and showing different sites. But if you're just looking for videos to watch, you know, to see what these roads are like, if you're planning a trip, then this is going to be the series for you. So guys and gals that just want to, you know, plan their vacation and see exactly what they're getting into, you know, there's not going to be any commentary. There's not going to be any, I'm going to have probably some rights free music dubbed over them, and I'll be uploading them in 15 to 20 minute increments. So, you know, labeled, you know, part 1, part 2, whatever, however many parts it takes to get the entire road uploaded. So that's what we're doing today. That's why I'm adding a third GoPro to my system. So that's what we're doing with the Ciro 3D fairing mount. That's why I'm adding it. So, all right, let's get to the install. All right, let's open up the package and see what we got. Oh, if you've never ordered anything from Ciro 3D, I suggest you head over to their site, check it out. I'm not being paid for this. I've just ordered stuff before. I know I got the cell phone mount video that, if you haven't seen, go back and check that out too. But I'm not being paid for this. I just really like the company, and they have a lot of really neat, innovative products. They could have sent me a damn beer fridge sticker, but that's neither here nor there. So, all right, got the package open. You got the mount, their little lock nut thing. The other good thing is that they have these awesome color instructions. So, if you can read English, you should be able to install this. So, I'm going to read through these real quick. Fucking child-proof packaging bullshit. Oh. Well, that's why it's split into 2 separate parts. So it is child-proof. Cool. Got that. And it comes with 2 different lengths. Seriously? Comes with 2 different lengths of these screws that go in the end like this. I'm going to be putting it in the middle, and if you've ever taken your batwing fairing apart, you know that the middle one is longer than the 2 outer ones. So this is the screw I will be using. So like that. All right, using a T27 star head bit and a small socket. I'm just gonna remove this center bolt here. And using 3/16 Allen head. Boom. I now have a unicorn. Now, like I said, if any of you have used Ciro products before, you just slide that on. And screw that down. And then as you screw it down, it tightens in place. It's really tight. Nice. And then they also send you this little screw. You can throw your GoPro up there. Simple, quick, easy. It took me longer to read the instructions than it did to install that. So now all we got to do is turn the GoPro off and mount it to the fairing and go take it for a ride. Well, there you have it, guys. The install was super easy. It works great. The only thing that I noticed is I had a little bit of windshield rattle now, but I'm getting one of the 3 pocket things to put on my windshield, and I think that'll help close the gap a little bit. But other than that, the thing works great. The only thing that I'm gonna change on it, and Ciro, if you're watching, might think about doing this, is mounting the little screw into the bracket. Is gluing that in and then changing this to one of the GoPro thumb screw type things, just for ease of use, you know, pulling the camera on and off. That's the only thing that I'm going to change about it. Other than that, the thing works great and it's awesome, and Ciro's an awesome company. I posted on Instagram that I have a unicorn bike now because I got the little ball sticking off, and said, damn, it'd be nice if I had a beer fridge sticker to come with this. and they instantly commented and said, send us your address and we'll send you one. So I sent them my address, and they said, getting it sent out today. So you can't beat them for customer service, guys. They are just a really, really great company, and I highly recommend checking them out for damn near anything you need for your bike. Just go and look and see what kind of products they got. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, comment down below, let me know if you have the action camera mount too and what you think about it. So thanks again.